Are you still using this aloe vera gel for your skincare or hair care? I think it's high time to throw it away. I understand that aloe vera gel is actually a holy grail when it comes to skincare or hair care. Even I use it almost all the time, be it shaving, face mask, hair mask, or generally for soothing out your skin. But that does not mean that you have to use the one loaded with that artificial fragrance or synthetic colors. I'm going to recommend you something which I have been using and trusting for years now. At first, I had got this recommendation from Fittuber. Now, that is the guy I trust. So, I started using this aloe vera gel from Greenworth. Now, this is free from all those artificial fragrances and synthetic colors. You can see this is almost colorless. But now, this is the rose variant. I've specifically ordered this for myself because I just love this fragrance. But this does not have any synthetic fragrance in it. In fact, if you could check the ingredient list, you'll find out they've actually added roses into it. And that actually smells really nice. But if you want, they've also got the regular variant in it. Now look at this consistency. It's a gel-like consistency. But if you know, the actual real aloe vera gel does not have this consistency. It's more like a slimy liquid kind of thing. But to solidify, they've actually used xanthan gum and they've got food grade preservatives. So it's all good, very natural, made up with the best of the ingredients, and I really trust this product. So if you want to actually use aloe vera gel, I think you should definitely try this one. Okay, bye.